Okay, my Weesie Nation, welcome back to my channel. And we're about to start a new vlog because I'm about to make something here for the second time. I made it the first time, now I'm gonna try it for the second time. I'm about to make some cheese, as y'all can see. Some cheesecake. Some cheesecake, y'all. Okay, y'all, we're about to get started on this cheesecake. So I have my sugar, I have my vanilla extract, I have egg, melted butter, and I have 4 things of cream cheese. Okay, and then also I have my graham cracker pie crust. Okay, so first we're going to open up the cream cheese. Y'all, I did this before. Hopefully I still got the touch. But like, if it don't come out right, I gotta back up. Still bored. But I pray this comes out right. If I do the right thing, it should come out right. Okay, got all that done. Hold on, let me clean up. I'm gonna get 2 more eggs, y'all. So I'm using 3 eggs instead of 1. Clean up. Put the eggs up. Okay. Got all that in there. Okay. Sugar is 1/4 a sugar cup. Okay. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, the extract and the sugar give it the flavor, and we're going to add the butter. Oops, sorry. Okay, now we about to mix all this up together. Oh, how much eggs? I didn't know I had this. Okay, my mix is sitting over here. Okay. Turn it up. Down. Ooh. Ooh, dang. Hold on. Gotta go slowly. only on one, y'all. One. Oh, yeah. Everything's coming together. It's coming together. Moving out the cream cheese and butter and egg, sugar, vanilla mix. Woo! Everything is mixed up. Woo! Yeah. Put it down in the down. Woo! Let's see. I ain't taste no cream cheese. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of more extract. Can't always go with the thing. What they say, you have to have your own judgment and your own taste. Because you gotta have some type of flavor. Ready? Okay. Look like some Cool Whip. Someone comes chase and make sure it's sweetening or whatever. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Let my son do the taste. I got a little something on my curtain. Let's see if he's awake. Be right back, y'all. Got it together. You know what my mistake was? Using unsalted butter when I was supposed to be using regular butter. So I had to get my son and my daughter to do a little taste test. So I added the regular butter in, and then I also added some more sugar and more vanilla. So now it's all together. It's right now. So that's why I say you be your own judgment of your own self. You can't go by nobody else, for real, for real. Because their taste bud and your taste buds are two different type of taste buds. So yeah. So now I'm about to take the stuff, open up this pie crust, so I can put the filling in. And then put it in the oven. How many of y'all put your I'm about to say cookie graham. Your graham pie crust in the oven and let it bake for a little bit. Got some more ingredients on the back of here for me to try. Okay, so now I'm about to add the filling in. Let's see how nice and whip it is. Okay. And that's how you make your cheesecake. So yeah, smell like cheesecake too. Now, and here it goes. That's it. The cheesecake inside the oven. The oven is already preheated to 350, so I'm gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it out, let it cool on a cooling sheet, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. Okay? So stay tuned. We have the cheesecake in the oven. Ooh, my son, look at him. He done eat the bowl of the cheesecake, y'all. Okay, y'all, the cheesecake is out the oven. Now it's cooling off on the cooling sheet. Okay, y'all, this is what the cheesecake looked like after sitting for hours. So now I'm about to cut in. Okay. Oh. Okay, y'all, here's the slice. Okay, y'all, we better do a little taste test on it. It still ain't cold enough, but right now, I'm giving it a 8 because it ain't cold. It ain't sit long enough for me. So, yeah, I 8.